So in the second part of section 7, we're going to write equations. Instead of just finding the slope and being able to graph them, we're actually going to write the equations themselves. So just a review from last time, which was also a review from before. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Point slope form y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So let's write the equation of each line in point slope and slope-intercept form. First one, we have a slope of 4, y-intercept of 9. So if you have a slope m, y-intercept b, y equals mx plus b. This, I'm not sure what happened here. Let's make that 2 over 5. So we have a slope of 2/5. We have x1 right here. We have y1 right here. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus negative 10. So I'm going to write that as plus 10. Now, this one I also want to write in slope-intercept form. If you can write it in slope-intercept form, please do. That's going to be the most accurate, where we can get the most information out of. So I want to distribute the 2/5. So y minus 6 equals 2/5 times x plus 2/5 times 10 is going to get you 4. A shortcut to do that is take the numerator and multiply. 2 times 10 is 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Now, to get to slope-intercept form, I need y to be by itself, so I'm going to add 6 to both sides. I get y equals 2/5 x plus 10. Alright, let's try these two. I'm given 2 points. The only thing I can do when I'm given 2 points is find the slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 10 minus 4 is 6. 2 minus negative 4 is 6. So my slope is 1. Now it's your call. You could pick whichever point you want to write it in slope-intercept form. I'm going to just pick the first one. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Minus a negative is plus. So there's point slope form. I need slope-intercept form. Having a 1 in front here, when you distribute, y minus 4 equals x plus 4. Add 4 to both sides, we get y equals x plus 8. Slope-intercept form and point slope form. So the next one, let's go ahead and find the slope. We got 2 minus negative 6 over 7 minus 4. Minus a negative is plus, so we get an 8. 7 minus 4 is 3. So we get 8/3. When we write that in point slope form, we get y plus 6, because minus negative 6 equals 8/3 x minus 4. Now this one won't come out as clean as the one that we just did. So we got one answer. Now I'm going to distribute. Y plus 6 equals 8/3 x minus 8 times 4 is 32 divided by 3. We got to leave it as that fraction, 32 divided by 3. Now I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. And when I subtract 6 from both sides, I want to think of 6 really as 18 over 3. So when I think of it like that, negative 32 minus 18 gives me negative 50. So my real equation is y equals 8/3 x minus 50 over 3. Simplifying the fractions. Don't worry too much. If you can't do that in your head, if you need to use a calculator, please do. Just be careful that you're doing it properly. Next, let's go ahead and write an equation from a line. The easiest thing to get from a line is your y-intercept. This one right here is 1. Let's go ahead and do this one over here. It's actually negative 1. Now I want to find my slope. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for another point that is on one of these corners of the grid, and I'm going to do rise over run. This one's rise of 1, run of 3. So my slope is 1/3. Over here, when I find a point, I got this one, down 2, to the right 3. So my slope is negative 2 over 3. So when I go to write these equations, y equals m x plus b. Y equals m. Y equals m negative 2/3 x plus b, which is minus 1. Next example, horizontal and vertical lines. Remember, horizontal lines are y equals, vertical lines are x equals. So write the equation of the vertical and horizontal line through the given point. Vertical line is all of your x values. Your horizontal line, so all my vertical lines are here. My horizontal lines will be in red. All my horizontal lines are my y values. How high up and down are you? And then it stays horizontal. And what we want to do here is we want to change these equations so that they are in slope-intercept form. It's easier to work with slope-intercept form if we could change all of them to that. So for this first one, let's get x to the other side. Negative y equals negative x minus 1. I want to divide everything by negative 1, which essentially just switches the signs. So we get y equals x plus 1. Over here, let's distribute the negative 1/3. So y plus 4 equals negative 1/3 x plus 1. Negative 1/3 times negative 3 is positive 1. Go ahead and subtract 4 from both sides. You get y equals negative 1/3 x. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. And then the last one here, distribute again. Y minus 5 equals negative 3x plus 9. Careful with your signs. Add 5 to both sides. You get negative 3x plus 14.